What's going on, guys? It is your boy CryptoMykel here, coming today with a hardware update, guys. It has been 1 month since we've had the Helium mobile 5G hotspot. It's been another month since we've been running the Helium IoT miner, and it's been another month since we've been using the Helium mobile plan. So today we are going to go over exactly how much mobile and IoT we have earned in the last month, as well as what's the total earnings so far. Now, I do want to thank everyone that has used the referral code. It does reset, so there was a promotion last month, but now that promotion is over. So if you do want to get Helium mobile, you can actually get $5 off your plan if you refer a friend. And they also now have Pixel devices, so now you can actually buy a Pixel 8 Pro and get a full year's worth of Helium mobile. So that's actually really cool. I am looking at potentially doing one of those updates, because if you do go ahead and buy one of those or select one of those plans, they actually give you a pretty good discount if you buy a hotspot with that, whether that is a mobile hotspot or a mobile indoor hotspot or the outdoor. So do look at that. Now, over the last, it's been a little bit over a month since we've had it. I think our first day was on the 24th. We had a few issues. I was gone here, rewards dropped, and it was due to the same issue that I was actually having right here. And my hotspot stopped doing speed tests. It didn't do a speed test in well over 24 hours, which dropped my score dramatically. And then it finally started to pick back up a couple of days later, but has not really been the same since then. And I've noticed a lot of degraded scores coming through. I don't know if this is my actual hotspot's fault, but I do know that resetting the device fixed that. As you can see, my multiplier is at 0.75. Normally it is at 1. Now, this does affect our earnings, so we are earning a little bit less than we should be. I am trying to figure out what's really the cause of it, but right now it looks like it's mainly just due to speed of my network, potentially. So may not be my device's fault, but nonetheless, it is there. Also, in the last month, we have earned the 3,173 IoT from our Osprey device, our Osprey Helium device, which is not 5G capable, but is providing IoT network. So overall, we have earned 20,357 mobile tokens with our 5G hotspot, as well as we've earned tokens with our Helium mobile plan. So all together, let's actually let's pull that up real fast, and we'll see. All right, so let's go ahead and start. Let's go ahead and start with my Helium mobile plan. So we will go ahead and our mapping rewards right here. It was the 29th. We do not have anything. We did not earn anything on the 27th. Now that is just mainly due to the fact that I didn't go anywhere. So we'll go over to our wallet. We currently have 25,000 mobile already in our wallet. Now we have our pending rewards. This is what we have earned over in the last month. I had a little bit already in my wallet to begin with, so we're at 21,618 mobile tokens. We're gonna go ahead and click claim, because we have a free claim anyway, because we waited over a week to do our claim. Waited a whole month, but so went ahead and did that. Now all of our tokens are claimed, and we have There it is, our 47,338 mobile tokens, which is currently 167 bucks. Now that is over the last 2 months, and we even prepaid last month's bill with our rewards, which we are going to go ahead and do again this month, just so that way we don't have to pay for our plan next month. So right here, click mobile, we're going to prepay. Hey, it's actually less this month than it was last month because the price is up. So we're going to go ahead and do that. We're going to go ahead and do the prepay, get that out of the way, which will leave us with around a little over 40,000 mobile tokens left. There we go, applying our prepaid credit. All right, there we go. Our prepay is complete, so now next month's bill is taken care of. Now I do want to go ahead and take my mobile tokens, and I would like to send them to my main wallet so that way I can keep them a little bit safer in my main wallet. So I'm going to go ahead and click here, see if we can paste our address. Doesn't look like it's gonna let us, so I'll have to do that off the camera, but it's probably because I'm screen recording. So we will add that to our total right here on the screen. So we're at 40,688 mobile tokens in our Helium wallet, Helium mobile wallet. Now we're going to go to our actual Helium wallet. As you can see, we have a little bit of Helium in here as well as some IoT. We're going to go to our hotspots, refresh. As you can see, we have 20,000 mobile as well as 6.23 thousand IoT, which is about 2 months worth of my IoT rewards. So we're going to go ahead and just click claim all rewards. Since your last claim, your hotspots have earned all of that, 20,356 mobile tokens, as well as 6,227 IoT. Gonna go ahead and click claim, claiming your rewards. You can exit the screen if you so desire, which gives us a total of 61,211 mobile tokens. So we can actually take that, and then we can head over to our good old trusty CoinGecko. 61,211. 61,211. That puts us at around $217 as it currently stands. Now that is pretty FA, and I am currently just stacking my bag of mobile rewards. So nonetheless, pretty out freaking standing, right? So guys, I really hope this video finds you well, and I hope that you've maybe got in on this while it was a little bit early, and to the moon we go, I guess. So deep in rocks, you all rock, stay savage, peace out. Remember, see y'all in the next one. No hash rates here, but nothing but up, because we're full of helium? I don't know. Peace.